If I could only give Kim Kardashian 3 products to repair her hair, it would be these. K18 is a definite must. I know it's super pricey, but out of all of the bond repair products that I've tested out and looked into, I truly believe it's the best bond repair product that we currently have today. People really underestimate the importance of leave-in products, but they are absolutely essential to protecting your hair from damage and breakage. I still have yet to find anything better than this one from Pureology. It is so good, and it does everything: condition, protect, etc. And a coconut oil all over her ends before washing is an absolute must to protect them because they are so fragile and look like they're going to snap off. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair hacks.